Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 255. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. Let me make sure I register because sometimes I forget. Um, wow, people already had. Am I in the right place? Why do people already have scores? I guess they're very good. Maybe that's curious actually. Okay, I refreshed and it went away. Refresh one more time. But yeah, wish me good luck. I was a little bit sloppy, or just I don't know, a little bit off on the morning contest, the bi-weekly, but hopefully this one it'll be good. Let's go, go, and wish me good luck. I need all the good luck I can get. It's been a little bit. Okay, let's go. One go. Loading screen, loading screen. Loading screen, loading screen. Loading problem, loading problem. That's weird. Okay. Okay. Length n. Any length? Okay. Um, uh, num sub I dot. Why did they reuse n so weird? Okay, fine. This is not quite right because of the prefix. I forget how to do it. Very weird problem, but okay. Choose one. Say what? Mm, 70 by 70. 1600 times 70. That should be okay. 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 Wonder if I should do this in another language, but Fast enough. Why does it give me wrong answers? Oh, different target. Yeah, fast enough. If this times out, I'll be very sad. Pretty sure that's fast enough in most languages. Say what? Oh, subset sums. N is 15. Always at least one correct answer. Oops. Okay. Oh, because it can be negative. I was going to say the max would be in it, but it might not be the case because of negative numbers. Can we... So the max positive number, we don't even know how many number there is, but okay, so the max positive number is going to be the sum of the positive numbers, and the max negative number is going to be the sum of the max negative numbers. But is that good enough for me to know anything? I'm not even figuring it out. Has anyone solved it yet? And every number has to be on the list as well for one number. So can I figure that out? Wow, 4 minutes. And they haven't finished Q4 yet, so that's a little bit tricky. Well, the smallest absolute value. No, that's not true. I was going to say that that has to be on the list, but I guess that's not true. Since it was 045. No, is that true? I guess so. Huh. It has to be in there. Has to be in there because there's no, that's not true, because you can have 0, -3, or you can just have two numbers, -3 and 4, and they total to 1, and you would have 0, 1, 0, 3, 4, and 1. But maybe there's another possible answer for this. I don't know if I know this one. Okay, someone got it, so 10 to the 4th. Can I use this 10 to the 4th somehow? This thing's in my face. 2 to the 15 is what, 65,000 or 32,000? Is that so the max is going to be the sum of all the positive numbers, and the even is the sum of all the negative numbers. So we have to figure out a way to work all that together. Only 10 to the trying to play with some small numbers to figure it out, but it's tough. Well, let's see. Okay, so people are starting to get it, but I don't even have an idea. Well, it's only 15 numbers, so I have to try to think a little bit easier. Maybe. Can I do sort of binary search? No. Annoying thing is that it's so hard to write examples because even for small things, there's so many combinations already. People already got it. I really don't even have any idea, but I just want to see whether this is a unique example or whatever. Is that too slow? That's only 40 to the 4th. Time some stuff, but okay, fine. Is that really too slow? Yeah, I guess 40 to the 4th is a little bit slow. And now I don't know. Okay, so there are a lot of possible solutions. Well, okay. Yeah, that's actually... Guess it could be the same. Do they have to be distinct? Nope. There's only one example. This is unique to this particular thing. So then how do we go about it? Yeah, I don't expect this to give me more answers, but okay, so it's not. Okay, so looking at the two maxes, that means that one of the numbers have to be on the thing. Okay. Huh. Looking at the max and the second max. And we can figure how many odd and even numbers there are, and zeros. Okay. I feel like I'm getting some ideas, but it's still gonna be very hard. Okay, so the zeros are actually the number of symmetry. Because I think if you sort this, you just have everything times 2. So actually that makes it a little bit easier, maybe. Yeah, so that's just everything times 2. So that means that let's try something real quick. So this has 3 zeros, and we have 1. How many tubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So then this is the number of zeros should just be 2 to the power of whatever. Because here there's 4. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So -1, frequency of that, and then so it's just the frequency of that. How do you do log 2? Log base 2 or whatever. Okay, so it's this -1. Or I just have an off by 1 here anyway. Okay. And now what do we want to do? Now that we got rid of all the zeros, This is doable, maybe, in the hour that I have. I want to divide it away, but the question is, how do you do it? So I think I'm able to get one number based off that, but can I? Oh, I think you can get the number of positive and negative numbers as well. That's not true. Is that true? Maybe not. Maybe I am not able to get it, but you can figure out the zeros later. Okay, so then now we got rid of the zeros. Now what do we do? This thing clearly have one negative number. That doesn't have to be true, right? Let me think. So, and I mean, in this case, there's a negative number. And even then, what do you do after you get that one negative number? Oh, you subtract it from. And you can really match these up. Oh, okay. I buy that. And greedy match the other side up as well. Okay. Actually, I think that's reasonable. Okay, I think I have an idea then. Though it's still a mess. This should increase one number at a time. How many negatives and how many positives? And there's always 1 0 remaining anyway. And here this is on 3 numbers left. What if they're duplicates? I think that's the issue that I don't know yet still. I just need a scratch pad of, let's say, what do you have one? When this before oops. So if we have multiple ones, okay. So it still shows up here one at a time, is that true? So 10 of these. 51 positive numbers. Okay, well, let's give it a try then. This may be a source of issue later, but okay. Otherwise, they have different signs. So this means that the negatives have it. Oh, in this case, this is a negative thing. So actually, no, you get the positive number, and in this case, you get the negative number. I don't know if this is right. I mean, it probably isn't. But let's see. Let's hope at least it terminates. It might not. Oh yeah, it doesn't because I have this thing. It doesn't terminate. Oops. I was in the same sign, so if they're both negative, then what happens if you only have odd, or if you have only positive numbers left? I guess it's just then in that case, the contribution is going to be is that true? Yeah, maybe. This is a positive number in the other direction. Oh. Okay, that's fair. In that case, got it right for this one, but not this one. I don't need this, and I don't need. Well, okay, needed that one time, but. Let's see. So it thinks -1 is the answer. So you have this thing. It thinks -1 is the answer. So then now it takes out the -1. So 0, 4, 5, 9. And we have 2 numbers left. And we actually want 4 and 5. Here we get rid of the 4. Okay, well here we have both on the same side. Oh, for some reason I didn't do this thing. Okay. So now I got this right. But is it actually right? Dun, dun, dun. I mean, we can actually play around with some inputs here. Also, oh, whoops. This is the actual input. Yeah. And this is 6 or something. That's not great. Unless this is the same. Huh. That's not the same though. So that is weird. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so yikes. Yeah, this is definitely wrong because this should 6 and a 9 sums to 13, which doesn't really make sense. So the first number that we got this thing. Okay, so at least we save ourselves 5 minutes of penalty, but we still have to get it right. So we have this thing. We think -1 is in the answer. -1, -2, and then 3, and then 4 and 13 left. Is that right? This is 5 and 6, so something is weird here. Okay, so my skipping is wrong. Is what's wrong. Maybe. It goes 5 and 6. 1, 1, 5, and 6. Should have. This doesn't even make sense because it's not sensible. Because this is wrong. Is this right? Well, the -2 is already wrong. Because I have a -3 instead. I have this thing. Is it -2? Oh. This one thinks this is a -2. But this is the different sign. And actually, this could be a positive. Okay, I think I'm just weird here. This is right, but this -2 I'm not super sure about. -2. Because these have different signs, and I think that's where that messed up, and that should have been a negative. Here, this should be a -2. That's fair. That means that I skipped ahead for some reason. I needed the frequency table. That's why I need the frequency table. Okay, that makes sense. I think that's what I was thinking earlier, but then I think I got confused with because I did this as a trick for zeros, but yeah, that's not quite the right way to do it. Okay. Okay, because you're trying to match the -2 with 0 instead, and getting rid of the -2, so then 0 remains. Okay, let's see. So new sums. Try to be too clever, I guess. For x in sums, if f of x is greater than 0, then we take x and then we decrement, and also we decrement x plus possible. Hmm. Did I print anything? Okay, so in one step, that's because I still have these things. Okay, get rid of it. So I went from this to this, that's fine. And some should be sorted. Okay. Now it should already be sorted because of this thing. Okay. F is equal. Well, that's a little bit unfortunate. This didn't even get smaller, so you subtract this, you subtract this. Right, so now that you get to here, that's not useful. I think I have the right idea now, but I have to figure out how to do it quite correctly. Why are they the same now? I messed up the possible number. Possible negative 1 x plus this. Oh, it's minus this? Okay. So it was not subtracting correctly. Okay. Now this is correct. Yay, friends. Let's see. Let's try another one. How many numbers are there? Should print that as well. 9. Okay. This is definitely very wrong because they're all negative. Actually, even in this one, this is all negative, so I'm still wrong. At least in the signs. I think I got this one wrong. Sums of... They're both odd, then the number... Fix this one, but actually this is wrong, so I'm glad I actually caught this a little bit. So my numbers are right, but my signs are wrong. So if negatives have it, then next number is positive. That makes sense. If the positive has it, then the next number is negative. Should be right. Why is this wrong? Oops. What did I have before? Yeah, okay. So the first number is well, it could be the flip version of this, but this is just clearly just wrong. Alright, I have 20 minutes to solve this, so come on, Larry. I don't know how this got positive at the end. That may just be lucky, but only have positive numbers left. So first we take the -1. This is not great. So close yet so far. I got the numbers right, but my signs are weird. Okay, so we do the -1, -1 because okay, that means that the 2 should be positive. So if they're different signs, oh, I see. So here is where if we only have one negative number, is that right? Also, this is deduping wrong, because this should dedupe negative. No. Oh, that's why. How does this even right? Is this right? -3 matches -2, so this should not be right. Oh my. Okay, so the first -1, it matches this one with this one, and then puts in the -3. Okay, so this is good. I feel like I'm so close earlier. Like, how does that even work with the signs? Let's just say I trust this. is it possible that this is an alternate answer? Nope. Because there should be a 7 in the input, and there should be no... This is clearly not right because the sum of all the positive numbers don't match up. Okay. Why? How? Why is this right though? Or why does this give me the right number? Is that just luck? Did I have the signs wrong? Because we subtract. There's something really weird about this. Okay, so at least this is consistent, but this is just weird. I don't think this should be the thing. How does this give the right numbers, but with the incorrect sign? That doesn't make sense. Like this I'm okay with, but this is giving me the wrong answer, so maybe I was just really wrong. So -3 matches with -2, then -2, -2 matches with -1, -1, -1 matches with... Wait, what? Oh yeah, no, this is right. 0, 0, 4. This matches. So, oh yeah, no, that's right. Maybe. So then you have this thing, which is still a -1. And you have this thing now. You have a -2. Well, this just puts the wrong stuff. Oh, okay. If it is the smallest, maybe? Okay. This is still wrong. Wait, is it wrong? Maybe I just... Oh no, this is... No, this is still wrong. Well, maybe this is right. It's just two different things. Maybe? I don't know. Now we have 15 minutes. This actually looks similar, so let's see if they're actually together. Oh, so they are true. Okay. I mean, I have 14 minutes. I might as well spend the time on this. Why do I have a negative 20 on here? Did I mess up? Why is there a negative 20? I hate everything about this. Ta-da, ta-da, do-do-do-do-do-do. Did I copy paste wrong? Well, clearly these two things should not have to have the same thing, so. Wow, this is very awkward. Let's get rid of this for now, but alright, we have 12 minutes to figure out this mystery. This is exactly the same, but maybe I just copy and paste wrong. Oh, this is I don't know. This is the answer. Yeah, it's just this plus a couple of numbers. Let's actually also put in the example cases first, because that would be embarrassing if this is wrong for that. Okay, let's just give it a submit. I don't know anymore. I only have 10 minutes left anyway, so if it's wrong answer, then maybe we'll get something from it as long as it's not hitting. Okay. That's sad, but let's put it here so I don't lose it. But so I have this thing. I put in 9 because the negatives have it, or the negative thinks is a positive. Okay, that's fair. Yeah, why? Did I mess up here? So the negatives have it. Maybe I just didn't test get says. I think I changed it messing around with this at some point, but wait, what? The negative have it, so this is the this is going to be annoying to debug. So basically the reason is because I have a 0 here. Oh yeah, I have a 0 here, and this was type working to the wrong way. So no, yeah, so this is the negatives have it, so this is a positive number. This is right, but then I go here because it thinks there's a -9, which is fine. Let's see again. I have 8 minutes. This is cutting it close. Okay, so I have this, which gives me positive 675. Okay, so that's fine as long as my 605 is positive. No, that's not true. Because I think that so now this cannot be -9. If they're only okay, so okay, it finds a way to do -9 because well, this is just wrong, that's why, because this is not -9. They're both zeros. I mean, this was inconsistent anyway. No, this should be right. Yikes. So, okay, so I have this. This is not true. Sum of 1 is greater than 0. Sum of -2 is greater than 0. Okay. Okay. Else. No, the original sin is here. -9. Actually. It thinks this is -9. Why? Because the first iteration. Okay, so it takes this and this. this is a positive number. Okay. I think I just don't handle two numbers correctly very well. I run out of time, but because then here I skip to 605. I think I see why, but well, this is too tight. How? Why would it do double though? So if the first one's 9, then I feel like I'm close, but this isn't that close. They're both negative. I don't have time to test more. Okay, well, ran out of time. Oh my, with the signs and the rules. Well, this is just really wrong now, but I feel like I was close, but I think I just implemented it poorly. 57, I guess that's okay. I really should have gotten this one. I was very close, as you can see. I have all the numbers in a lot of places, but I think I just didn't handle the 0 case very well. What happens if there is a 0? I mean, the zeros are always going to be... Yeah, I don't know. I think my idea is right. I'm clearly having some science issue. And I'm just hacking it around, but let's slow it down and try to see if I could figure it out from first principles. If it just is negative, then we go from small to largest. Okay, that seems reasonable. If it's positive, then we go from biggest to smallest. Yeah, maybe that's reasonable as well. But I don't know why this is wrong now. Tell me why. I had it right before for this particular case. But maybe this stuff is wrong. Yeah, why is it even wrong for this one? So it gets the first number is -1. Well, this is clearly wrong, so I have a possible typo here. I thought I fixed this though, but I think I just messed up on the signs. Because I guess there are 4 combinations, but that'd be sad if this is right. I mean, it wouldn't be that sad, just slightly sad, but maybe not super sad. Okay, so I'm still wrong here. So I guess that's something. Yes, I'm still wrong, but oh yeah, this is just outrageous, but why is that? I think this is just negative on both sides. Yeah, okay, maybe that's true though, actually. I get all the signs wrong, but oh, is that it? I just have to reverse it and I added the signs for some reason, but okay. Oh, so I did get the signs a little bit awkward, but that's all. What do you try to think about how to handle this zero issue? I mean, so this is still wrong, but I'm very close. There's just more cases, but maybe there's a cleaner way of handling these cases. Because here I think that okay, there's a positive number, but there should be a negative number because this is 0. And I think maybe I am missing one insight, so maybe I'm just wrong by a lot. To be honest, my idea is right, but But yeah, okay. Maybe I just need one more case. If this is the case, then possible is equal to I've gotten to the point where I'm going a little bit nuts. I think I actually added everything here, so let's just do this here and then remove all these extra lines. Okay. Definitely still have some issues. But I think the funny thing is that if I just did like 20 wrong answer submits during the contest, I would have gotten this, I think. Maybe I should have done it that way. Because instead I did this thing. Oh, okay, so wait, so negative 145, is that right? No, I think this should be positive 145, that's why. Huh, okay, so I was actually wrong on some of my logic. In that here, the 145 delta is the same as here and here. So I think I just got the signs maybe wrong. Or like I don't think there's a consistent way of doing 145. Because this should be positive, but okay. So maybe I don't know how to do this, but let's see if let's do some quick code review real quick. See if I Oh, I think that's one thing I could have done is that there are only 15 numbers, so we could maybe brute force, because I always get the numbers right, but not the signs. So maybe we could brute force this. Yeah, maybe we could brute force. Let me try something really funky. Real quick. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. I modified this so many times, so let's go O sum for original sums. So the smallest number N, I think. That's what I should have done now that I think about it. Maybe. If okay, so now we have answers. Type append. Oh, sorry, answers for y in range of n. If then positive is equal to 0, negative is equal to 0. So okay. Oops. What am I doing? Positive to the absolute value of x. Oops. Negative y. If positive is equal to O sums of 0 and negative is equal to sums of negative 1, return. Oh, well, then this is the answer, but we have to figure out how to do it. Okay, for y in range of n, if answer of y is equal to absolute answer of y, else negative absolute answer of y. Well, that didn't go quite well. Okay, so we did have some sort of an answer before. Then how would happen here? Maybe we return thing here. That's why. That's weird. Oh, I mixed up this. Okay. Well, okay, this is wrong. So we have this wrong numbers here, right? No, this is the right numbers, so why is this not doing this right? Because this is wrong, but did I mess something up? What's the answer? The biggest negative is minus 283. Oh, why is this O sums of negative 1? Oh, I didn't sort it. Okay, dummy. I thought I did because I did it in the other thing, but okay. Ooh, this is okay. I think this is actually right, more right. Oh no. Actually, I don't know if this is right. Let's see. I don't know what I'm printing. What am I printing? Oh, that these two things are correct or the same. Is this equal to this? I think I just copy and paste the same ones though, but let's look at the expected answer. So they do have the same true value, even though they look really different for some reason. Signs in the weird place, but I guess sometimes that happens. Okay, then let's try printing this out. Or let's try running this. It took 17 minutes after the contest, and this may still be wrong. Oh, I don't think that's the right intended way, but but let's just see kind of how they did it. Okay, so they did it in a smarter way. This is the way that I was trying to do, but but I couldn't figure it out. Let me see. This is the way that I did it. Yeah, this is basically the way that I did it. This is smarter. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy that I got it eventually, a little bit late, obviously, but yeah, a lot of case analysis, but I didn't even need all these cases. I just kind of, because I had it much earlier, right? I think I even could have just removed this one and it would have been okay. Because I just, maybe? Well, because now some of this other stuff is weird, but it's just that I had more cases because I couldn't figure out how to get it to work. But it turns out all I did was I have to remember to focus. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy about this because I think only like 50 people gotten it. 46. I could have maybe gotten it, but yeah. I mean, KMJP did it the correct way, maybe. I don't know how this logic works. Let's see if I can learn from this before I go on. I'm still happy that I did it my way and then couldn't figure it out. Maybe I'll have to put that into the video explanation. Okay, let's see. So put everything into a multi-set. So basically just a sorted set. Looks at the first two numbers, and the delta is the difference between the first two numbers. While there's number in M, S, what is A? Oh, this is basically what I was doing. I don't know what this means though. Well, I mean, I know what the code is saying, but what? Oh, this is just doing which. This is basically the same as what I was doing. So I did this reverse thing that's really awkward, and also apparently I didn't even need Well, I need to reverse, but he did it without the crazy hack that I was doing, so. Oh, I see. Because basically, if S has 0, we want to take the one with the 0. Otherwise... Oh. Huh. That's really clever. Wow. I did not... Oh, wow. I mean, this is why they're the best in the world and I'm not. Let's see. Let's take a look at a couple more codes. This was kind of the way that I was doing it. Oh, that's smart. Looking at using the sum to do it. That is smart. That's another good way of doing it. Okay. So I think I have seen enough now, but yeah. That's all I have for this one. I thought I did pretty okay, and I really could have gone Q4, but I didn't. But but that's okay. I learned a lot, and I did get it eventually, just after the contest. But yeah. What I want to say. That's all I have for this one. That's all I have for this one. Hope y'all have a great week, great contest. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me on Discord. Stay good, stay healthy. Have a great rest of the week. To good mental health. And I will see you later. Bye bye. Bye bye.